As you can see, now that I have C and D defragged, what I want to do is see if it will defrag and check and analyze the USB drives that I use for my backup. So I'm going to go to PerfectDisk settings, click once on that, drop down to removable storage. I'm going to click on allow defragmenting of USB and FireWire connected drives. I'll click on OK. You can see again that I have C and D. Now I have G and H listed on here. So what I'll do is I'll run a quick analyze. It's going to check, and it's now complete. So now it'll give me the information that I need. And as I do this, one of the things you'll notice is that I actually have to click on the drives. For example, here's my G drive, and click on Analyze for each drive. So I click on Analyze, and it is now going to go through analyzing my 500 gigabyte USB drive that I have in the safe. And I'll click on my H drive, which is my HP backup drive, and I'll click on Analyze. And this will go through and do the analysis. Now it says here that it takes half an hour based on my time to do the analysis. So we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so we're back. It didn't take that long at all. It just took about 6 or 7 minutes total to do it. Now it's got some file defragmentation here, and the question is, do I really care if it's a backup drive, if it's defragged or not? Probably not. We'll do the same thing on one of the other drives just to kind of get an idea if it really makes a difference or not. Again, it's got the directory fragmentation listed here, which is probably because I back up all the time and haven't done any cleanups. Okay, this didn't take too long either. You can see now that I have G and I have H done. Again, would you really want to do this? Probably not. It probably wouldn't make any sense to defrag the backup drives unless you do quite a bit. But you can see they're listed. So everything is under C, and then I have D. I can have D that's listed here. Now again, when you hit the Analyze, you actually have to be clicking on the drive that you want to analyze. So I will click on Analyze, and we'll be right back for the final analysis. Okay, it looks like we're good. So what I'm going to do is do a defrag only on this. Again, this is my main data drive. So this is 21.6% or poor for directory fragmentation. We'll click on defrag only, and it should go through and automatically make those changes. Okay, and to tie it off, then you can see that we have everything hooked up. So each of the drives that you want to analyze, if you want to analyze the data drive, you can click on Analyze and do it individually. You can see here that I'm 25%. So what I'm basically doing is going through here and working on each individual drive as I see it. You can see that my data drives are listed, and as I go through and do the analysis, that it'll actually bring up each of those. Now what I'm going to do is get everything all cleaned up and do one final tie-in. Okay, we're back. One of the last things that you can do is you can actually hold down the Shift key and highlight all of the drives and then do an analysis based on that. So overall looks like a really good system. If you're one of those people that really likes to have your drives defragmented, then this tool is for you. If you're not really into that, then you may want to look at the price and weigh out what it's really going to cost you.